Hello dear children, welcome back to my channel. Now we are going to start practice test series 4, that is based on the NAS questions. Question 1. Meena's teacher told that India is an agricultural country. The time of harvesting is a happy time for farmers. There are many such festivals in different parts of India that are related to harvesting. Now, which of the following festivals is not related to harvesting? So, which one of these is not related to harvesting? That is option 4. Diwali, the festival of lights. It is not at all associated or related with the harvesting of the crops. So, option 4 is the right answer. Then, question 2. Aman's father dumps the animal waste near his field, which is converted into manure. Which of the following statements about manure is correct? Manure are organic substances. Yes, that's true. Manure provide humus to the soil. Yes, they provide fertility to the soil. Then third is manure absorb water. Yes, they are water absorbents too. So option 1, 2, 3, all of these are correct. Hence, we will say that option 4 is the right answer. That is. Then question 3. Carrier of malaria causing protozoan is female Anopheles mosquito. Option 1 is the right answer for this question. Moving on to question number 4. Few days before sowing seeds, Geeta went to the field. Her father was plowing the field. Geeta asked her father what he was doing. Geeta's father replied that he is preparing the soil. Why is preparation of the soil necessary? So, preparing the soil is necessary for option 1. In the loosened soil, roots can breathe. Then, loosened soil helps in the growth of microorganisms and earthworms. 3, 1 and 2 both are correct. Yes, option 1 and 2 both are correct. So, here the option 3 is the right answer for this question. Then, moving on to fifth question, which is which of the following diseases is found in plants? So, here are some common diseases. Here, this common cold, fever, hepatitis, these are all human diseases. Only this last option, that is yellow vein mosaic, it is a plant disease. So it is found in plants. This yellow vein mosaic is a viral disease and it is generally found in okra, means bhindi plant. The leaf of the plant that gets damaged, there is yellowing of the network of the veins in the whole leaf. So all the veins they turn yellow, and this reduces this you in turn causes the infections in the plant, and it looks a yellowish appearance. It gives a yellowish appearance to the plant. So that is why the name yellow vein mosaic virus means the veins they turn yellow. There is a whole network of veins that appears yellow in color. Then question 6. Gurmeet went to market with his mother. She wanted to buy a pressure cooker. Shopkeeper has shown them a new type of pressure cooker in which the food does not stick. He was astonished about the type of coating on that, due to which food doesn't stick. Shopkeeper told him about dash which is used in making of this cooker. So the cooker is made up of steel, iron, polyester, Teflon. Teflon coating is there. So the cooker is made up of Teflon so that the food doesn't stick at the bottom of the container. Question 7. All synthetic fibers are prepared by different processes, but all of these are obtained from petroleum based raw material. So these are called petrochemicals. These are called the petrochemicals. Then question 8. Babita wants to buy the boxes for her kitchen on this Diwali. She wants lightweight, strong, non-reactive and durable boxes. Which should she select from the following? So what she should select: iron, aluminium, plastic, rayon. So the lightweight, strong, and non-reactive to certain things and durable boxes, they are made up of plastic. So plastic is long lasting and it is lightweight too. So option 3 is the right answer. Then question 9. When Rohit dropped a metallic ball on floor, it produces sound. Name the property of metal shown in this case. Sonority or sonorous. That is the production of sound, ringing sound. That is the feature or characteristic feature of the metal. So option 1 is the right answer. Then question 10. Roshni's mother applied a purple colored solution on her wound. Name the solution. So the doctor, you must have seen, applies iodine, that is tincture. So it contains iodine solution. Option 3. So this solution is applied to the wounds and it is of purple colored color. Then question 11. When you dissolve sulfur in water, what will happen? Dissolving sulfur in water gives nothing. Hydrogen gas is not involved, carbon dioxide gas is not involved, oxygen is not involved, sulfur does not react with water. This option is the right answer. The teacher asked the class that millions of years ago the forests were buried under the earth and turned into coal. What is this process called? That is turning of the remains of dead plants and animals into coal. What is the process called? The process is called carbonization. Option 2. Then question 13. The teacher keeps some items in groups on the table in the science lab and asks the student to identify the groups of items derived from petroleum. Which group will be the right choice? So here you have to choose the items which are derived from petroleum. So here the option is group A, that is paraffin wax lubricant. This is the things or items which are derived from petroleum. Wood, coal, iron, they are not derived from tomato, potato, onion, they are not derived from petroleum, and book, pencil, scale is also, they are not derived. So paraffin wax and lubricant, they we get from the petroleum, crude petroleum. Then question 14. The teacher explained to the class that petroleum and natural gas produce many useful substances called petrochemicals. These are used in making detergents, yes, that's right. In making polymers, that's true. In making plastics, yes. So option 4, all of the above is the right answer. Today, question number 15. Today, Hema saw a new equipment in science lab. Help Hema to recognize the given equipment in given picture. So children, this you can see in the lab. Question 15. Today, Hema saw a new equipment in science lab. Help Hema to recognize the given equipment in given picture. Children, by now must be familiar with this picture. What is it? This is the picture of a fire extinguisher. You must have seen in your schools also, in science lab also, and here and there you must have seen this in the malls also. So these are put there in case if any mishappening by fire happens, then it is used to put off the fire. So it is a fire extinguisher. Option 3, that is the right answer for question 15. Then question 16. Sandeep asked Sukhpal about substances which vaporize during burning. During burning, they produce. So what do the substances on burning produce? Yes, sound, flame, combustion, none of these. So on burning, the substances produce flame. Question 17. The calorific value of petrol and CNG are 4500 kilojoules of per kilogram and 5000 kilojoules per kilogram respectively. If you have vehicle, which fuel will you prefer? So definitely we will prefer CNG. Here we will use CNG or give preference to CNG over petrol because CNG, it reduces harmful emissions that contain lead or sulfur, and moreover it is also non-corrosive. So for the longevity of the spark plugs and other engine parts, CNG is preferred mostly. Question 18. Migratory birds fly long distances because of physical changes, own wish, climatic changes, chemical changes. So the answer is climatic changes. Question 19. What is the difference between zoo and wildlife sanctuaries? Protection for animals available in sanctuary but not in zoo. In zoo, animals are kept in natural environment, but the sanctuaries, animals are kept in an artificial environment. In sanctuary, animals are kept in a natural environment, but in zoo, animals are kept in an artificial environment. So this is the right answer. Option 3 is the right answer for question number 19. Then moving on to the question 20. Give name of two endemic species of plants found in Panchmari biosphere. So which species? Endemic species is those species which are restricted to a particular geographical location. So here the answer for this question is option Sol and teak, yes. Mango, jamun, silver ferns and arjun, yes. All of the above. Then 21. Name the jelly-like substance present between the nucleus and cell membrane. It is cytoplasm. Option 2. Then chloroplast or chlorophyll is found in which type of cell? Animal and plant cell. Yes, chloroplast or chlorophyll means chlorophyll is the green pigment present in the plant. So plant cell, option 2 is the right answer for question 22. Then question 23. Today, while teaching about metamorphosis, teacher asked children that if they had seen eggs of frog, where did you see? So children, where will you find the eggs of frog? Yes, the frog lays eggs in pond. So in pond. Question 24. Rajveer asked his teacher about some examples of electroplated objects. She replied, wheel rim, utensil, jewelry. Yes, 1, 2, and 3. These are all of them are right. They are true. Then option 4 is the right answer. All of these. So because all of these they are electroplated. Then 25th question. When a sperm containing Y chromosome fertilizes an egg with X chromosome, the zygote develops into dash child. And X and Y chromosome makes a male child, while XX makes a female child, while XX is a female and XY that is a male child. Question 26. Some children grow rapidly during adolescence, while others may grow slowly. The reason behind is the genes inherited from parents, the kind of food eaten during that period. Question 3, 1 and 2, and option 4, none of the above. So the answer here is option 3, 1 and 2, both are correct. Question 27. The frictional force acts on every moving body. Its direction is always dash to the moving body. Force, yes, the motion moving body, this motion is opposite to the force applied. So this is option 4, opposite is the right answer for question 27. Then question 28. Ramesh throws incident ray at an angle of incidence of 30° on the mirror, what will be the angle of reflection? So we know by the laws of reflection, angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. So here the angle of reflection will come out to be same as that of angle of incidence, that is 30°. Here it is written 30°. So option 1, 30° is the right answer. 29th question. Vikas wants to know whether electric current will flow through the given circuit or not. So here if you see children, lemon juice is there. So it is a conducting component. Then two wires with key and battery are there. Then this bulb is there. So the circuit is complete. It is not broken anywhere. So yes, the answer is yes. Option 1, it is the right answer. Then question 30. Deepika asked his brother about the name of the scientist who discovered about lightning and charges in 1752. Among the following, whose name was suggested by his brother. So the right answer is Benjamin Franklin. Option 4 is the right answer for question 30. And this was the last question of this practice sheet test series 4. So by now the doubts are clear to all of you. I hope so. We'll meet you in the next video with practice test series 4, 5. Till then, take care. Thank you. If you liked the video, do subscribe and share.